Communication is the act of giving information to others with the intention that others have the same information as the message. Nonverbal communication is communication sent in message without words. The participants' view of communication is divided into intrapersonal communication, interpersonal communication, group communication, mass communication, and organizational communication. This makes people practice mass comm without realizing that they use mass comm. For example, when they are studying.
Learning is an activity that involves a person in trying to acquire knowledge, skills, and positive values by using various resources for learning. Learning can involve two parties, namely teacher and student as facilitators. Learning occurs in the learning and teaching process. Therefore, learning requires interaction, shows that the learning process is a communication process, which means that inside there is a message delivery process from the teacher to the students. The teaching and learning process is a communication process between teachers and students. The communication process that may occur during the teaching and learning process is one-way communication, two-way communication, bidirectional, and multidirectional communication.
Even in any case, humans will still communicate in writing, in spoken, and other forms. This is not wrong in Islam. Islam allows people to interact or communicate even if they are of different genders, but there needs to be a limit. For example, Islam does not encourage men and women to discuss or talk in places where there are no people or in the dark. This is to prevent others from thinking badly about the two entities.
In the expansion method, Islam allows teachers and students to interact face-to-face or visually. However, Islam still emphasizes limits or ikhtilaf. It means there is no free association between teachers and students. Doing something outside the Sharia and studying or teaching in a place that can cause defamation.
In conclusion, Islam does not prevent a person from seeking knowledge from anyone because seeking knowledge is something that is demanded in Islam. As Imam Ash-Shafi'i said, knowledge is an extension of life. We can apply mass comm in our daily life and use the Quran and Hadith as our reference. Islam is beautiful and simple. It is not narrow and difficult.